are scriptures to help you rebuild your heart in God. Proverbs 4:23. Keep thy heart with all diligence, for out of it are the issues of life. Genesis 6:5. And God saw that the wickedness of man was great in the earth, and that every imagination of the thoughts of his heart was only evil continually. 1 Samuel 16:7. But the Lord said unto Samuel, Look not on his countenance, or on the height of his stature, because I have refused him. For the Lord seeth not as the man seeth. For man looketh on the outward appearance, but the Lord looketh on the heart. Psalms 51:10. Create in me a clean heart, O God, and renew a right spirit within me. Psalms 139:23. Search me, O God, and know my heart. Try me and know my thoughts. Ask God for help to rebuild your heart. Invite Him into every area of your life. The Word of God will strengthen you in God's love, and your heart will be rebuilt. 1 John 3:20. For if our heart condemn us, God is greater than our heart, and knoweth all things. Matthew 5:8. Blessed are the pure in heart, for they shall see God. 1 Peter 5:7. Casting all your care upon him, for he careth for you. Psalms 34:18. The Lord is nigh unto them that are of a broken heart, and saveth such as be of a contrite spirit. Psalms 147:3. He healeth the broken heart, and bindeth up their wounds. Trust God in every area of your life. God desires for you to be happy, healthy, and whole in Him. Meditate on these scriptures to rebuild your heart in God. For the full list of scriptures and more information about taking back your heart, visit our blog at browngirllemonadestand.org.